And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a repeat letter logo. In logo design, I like to play around with repetition, and an easy way to use it is to just create a simple letter. It works well with VW, but you can try every letter with this simple method. Just size it up holding Shift and Control, then press Ctrl D to copy it. Let's go to Object, Align and Distribute, and if you select it all, use this distribution function right here. And they all have the same distance. And if you reposition the first and the last, select it all and redistribute it again, you get the same effect, but a different feel at the center. Give them different colors with a different fill. I like to stay in the same color range and then basically just make it lighter or darker to one side. But you could also fade it out, so use different opacities or use a completely different color selection. But that's what I like to do first when I try this method in logo design. You can see that already works, but another tip is always use a thin font. So for the first one, I've used the basic inbuilt font in Inkscape. Let me go to text and font. So this was the one, sans serif, regular. Don't use playful fonts, for example, this aesthetic violet. Let me just use Arial, everyone has that, and I use it in the narrow style, so that's much thinner. And again, Ctrl D to copy it. Reposition the first and the last. Give them different colors and then use Align and Distribute. Sometimes you're lucky with the font that you've used. In this case, the first and the last letter, they fit very well. Let me zoom in a little bit and you can see that right here. So you can make them overlap at a good position. But if you want to make them snap so that you know it's the right position, just select these letters first, then go to Path, and then use Object to Path. And now if you reposition it and you've got the snapping enabled, it snaps in the correct position. And then use once again Align and Distribute for all. You can see with a thinner font it looks even better. So that's what I like to use with this method. And that's about it. I hope these tips are helpful for your own logo design. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.